In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to streamline campaign management using Asana AI Studio. We're going to move from a blank slate to a smart, organized campaign workspace that plans, coordinates, and automates key tasks for you. This approach is great for marketing teams that need clarity, speed, and fewer manual check-ins. Start by creating your project with AI. At the top bar, click Create, then choose Project, and select Create with AI. This lets Asana generate the initial structure for you, which saves time and ensures nothing obvious gets missed. You can always adjust the name and details later, so don't worry about perfection at this stage. Next, enter a clear prompt. In the prompt box, type something like, "Create a marketing campaign project with tasks for planning, content creation, approvals, launch, and performance tracking." The more specific your prompt, the better the initial setup. Then click Create Project. Asana AI will build out sections and tasks based on your prompt, giving you a starting point you can refine. Once your project appears, open Customization to add automation. Click Customize at the top right and select Rules. Rules are the backbone of automation in Asana. They watch for specific events and then take actions, so your team doesn't have to. Now, add AI-powered automation. Click Add Rule and choose Create with AI Studio. Here, you can use AI actions to handle common tasks. Try automatically naming tasks so titles stay consistent, checking for missing information to catch gaps before work starts, summarizing completed work to keep stakeholders informed, and drafting responses for campaign updates to speed up communication. You can set triggers like when a task is completed or moved to a new stage. Keep your rules simple at first, then layer more as your workflow matures. With automation in place, set up a clear campaign workflow. Use sections like Planning, In Progress, Review, and Launched. Assign an owner and due date to each task so accountability and timelines are always visible. Keep due dates realistic and use concise task descriptions so anyone can understand what's expected at a glance. From here, let AI help keep everything on track. AI Studio will update tasks, summarize progress, and reduce manual follow-ups throughout the campaign. Review AI summaries before sharing externally, and check in periodically to make sure your automations are still aligned with how your team works. That's how you can streamline campaign management using Asana AI Studio to save time and work more efficiently. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.